Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off dark mode on Google Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off dark mode on your Google Play Store, first open up your Google Play Store application on your phone. And after opening your Google Play Store application, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us. Just below the personalization in play, tap on settings over here and you'll land on this interface, whereas at the top of the screen you can see there is the general option available for us. Tap on the general option, and when you tap on it, guys, this kind of menu will appear where on the fourth option you can see there is the theme. It says tap on the theme option at the fourth. And in order to turn off the dark mode on Google Play Store, guys, make sure the light theme is enabled. And when the light theme is enabled, guys, tap on the OK button at the right side of this box, and then the dark mode on your Google Play Store will be disabled or turned off. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn off dark mode on Google Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.